4. Look at the first question, bottommost rule. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? We'll start this question from which option? Fourth option. Minus and plus. This becomes minus and this becomes plus. 96 divided by 4. 96 divided by 4 is how much? 24. 24 into 24 under 24 square. 576. My answer should be 155. No way. Let's go for the next one. Divide and minus. This becomes minus. This becomes divided by. Now you might get a doubt. 30 divided by 24 is not possible, sir. I'll get my answer in decimal kada. Kani immediately division is followed by multiplication. So how can I write this as 39 plus 30 divided by 24 into 96 minus 4. Avuna kada? 24 how many times? 4 times. 30 into 4 120. 120 plus 39 159 minus 4 155. Right or wrong? Right. Option number 2. Clear? Next. 3 of the following words are alike certain way. This has nothing to do with reasoning. This question clearly is based on English vocabulary skills. Humorous, comical, hilarious. All the 3 synonyms. Chapama. So this is gagster. Who is a gagster? Gagster is a writer. Okay. Next question is on, what is this? Syllogisms. All works are farmhouses. Some works are gardens. All works are farmhouses. Some works are gardens. Some farmhouses are works. Right or wrong? Right. Some gardens are works. Yes. Some farmhouses are gardens. Yes. What's the answer? All the 3. Now, what's this question? Mirror images and mirror is placed on the right side of the figure. What's the answer? Dead easy. It has to be 4th option. It has to be 4th option. When it is in the right side, you get something like this, and this is where you get the shaded part. Avuna kada? Obvious ka 4th option. 6th question. Select the figure that comes next in the following figures. I concentrate only on arrows. Arrow is pointing towards which direction? First frame low, north. Second frame east, south, west. And it is rotating in clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction. Avuna kada? North to east, east to south, south to west. Pakka nak next time kavali north. Shaded, unshaded, shaded, unshaded. Ante pakka you will get something like this kada. Chapanamma. And it is shifting. This arrow is rotating, at the same time it is also shifting from this place to this place. Top left, bottom left. Clockwise, anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Shifting is done in anti-clockwise, rotation is done in clockwise. How many sides? One side. My bottom left to bottom right. Bottom right to top right. Top left. Top left. Where do you find that? 4th option. Antena? Chappandi. Next question. G. G squared as what? H. 7, 8 plus 1. 9, 11 plus 2. 6, 9 plus 3. 20, 24 plus 4. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Don't write the numbers above those letters. You are wasting your time. As soon as you see the number, you should identify the place value of the letter, not the letter. What is E? Come on. 5 plus 1, 6. F. How many options? 2 options. Second option will decide what is my answer. X. 24 plus 2, 26. Z. Which option? Third option. How many number of triangles are here? Count the number of triangles. I'll tell you one thing, listen. If you find a triangle like this, how many triangles do we have here? 3. If I draw another line in middle, 6. Avuna kada? If I draw another line, 9. So one thing is for sure. This here You have how many? 3. This one here is fetching us how many? 6. This here is only 1. But there is one bigger one here. Bigger one. Avuna? Don't forget, it's combination of all. Extra 1. 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. How much is this? 11. Any other than this? No. Answer 11. Now look at this question. I think this is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. This is embedded and rotation is not allowed. Where can I find this? Please tell me the answer. Where can I find this? Can I find this in the second option? Yes. Absolutely yes. Second option. This is where I have it. Clear? Question number 10. What comes in the place of question mark? What is this? Q. V. Q is how much? 17. V is how much? 22. Can I say it is plus 5 with the first letter? Next to 22, I can say as 27. Mali plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. What is 11? K. How many options? 2 options. But last letter, 3 options. Avuna kada? Now I can go for second or I can go for last. It can be anything. Let's go for this. W is how much? 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 is what? B. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 17. చెప్పండమ్మా క్యూ అంటే ఇది పోయింది కదా చెప్పాలి. నెక్స్ట్ చూడు 19 plus 5, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 is what? 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. This question we have to check all the 3 letters. Next 15, 8 and 60. Any guesses for this? How much is 15 into 8? 120 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2. So this is 15 into 8 by 2 is equals to 60. Now, 24 into 5 and 120 divided by 2 is 60. Can I say 60 is my answer? Very good. Whenever you solve these questions, 100% guarantee analogies and odd man out. Check whether you are talking about the same logic or the one which follows the same logic or which is the one which is not related to the same logic. Question is not related in the same way. Not related in the same way. 3 into 4, so 3 into 14. How much is 3 into 14? Amma? 42. 42 divided by 2, 21. Is it following the same logic? 7 nines, 63. Divided by 2, 31.5. 16 12s, 192. Divided by 2, 96. Clear? Now, look at this question. 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are like in some manner and 1 is different. Select the word that is different. Intelligence, memory, aptitude, weight. Weight is different. It has nothing to do with intelligence and memory. Amma, ippudu idem question odd man out. Will you compare one option with the other option? No. We'll check within the options. How much is this? 15 11. 15 11 kada? Plus 4 or minus 4? Minus 4. 11 7 minus 4. 7 2 minus 5. 7 3 minus 4. 3 is nothing but 29. Chapandamma. 29 minus 4, 25. 25 minus 4, 21. First option, second option different. Third option will decide what is the answer. Avuna kada? 20 16 minus 4. 16 12 minus 4. 12 8 minus 4. Which option? First option. Okay na? ఒకసారి ఇది కూడా చెక్ చేయండి అమ్మా. రిస్క్ చేయొద్దు. 26 22 minus 4 22 18 minus 4 18 14 minus. Why did I say ante? Because there is one vowel here. ఒక్కొక్కసారి it is minus 4 minus 5 1 అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు? We are not getting the logic with differences kada. అప్పుడు then what you will do is presence of vowel is making the difference in first option. అట్లా కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. It can be can happen. Okay, adi jagrata. A and C are children of B. A and C are children of B. B is the father of A, but C is not the son. C is not the son, and C has to be daughter. How is C related to a sister? Four numbers are given to us. Ma'am, ఇది ఒక మంచి question. I always stress on one important point. You should learn multiplication tables and every time I'll stress on only one point. You should learn multiplication tables. If you had learned multiplication tables by looking at these two and these two, you will tell what, not these two, these two, you will tell what is the answer. If you learn multiplication tables by looking at second and third options, you will say what is the answer. If you don't know multiplication tables, this question becomes very difficult for you, very difficult. Someone who knows multiplication tables, if he sees 15s and 240, he says, sir, this is nothing but 15 into 16. He'll say, sir, this is 19 into 20. Similarly, this should be 28 into 29. If someone who knows what is 28 into 29, he'll use the strategy that we'll teach in our school, in our class. Product of consecutive natural numbers. 28 into 29 is nothing but 28 square plus 28. 3 into 4, 12. Etla vastundi 3 square plus 3. What is 28 square? 784 plus 28, 812. Saripayindi kada? It should have been 8 square plus 18. Then akkada em vachindi? Direct 18 square. Is this clear?